Alright, so today we've been reading about average speed. So who can tell me what average speed is? How do we calculate average speed? Madison? Perfect. You do the total distance divided by the total time. So today we're going to be finding the average speed of a marble as it travels down a noodle. We're going to do 3 different positions, okay, to see the average speed of 3 different positions. You're going to have position 1 of the noodle, position 2, and position 3. You're going to put the marble in, time it, get a time. You're going to get a total distance. Every single time, your total distance is going to be 1 meter. Let me show you an example. So each group is going to have a person to be the material person. They're going to have the noodle, they're going to have the box and the marble. Every single time, whoever I give the materials to, they're in charge of putting the marble down the noodle and moving it to positions, okay? So what you're going to do, position 1 is going to be like this, okay? You're going to have your noodle about like this, just barely lifted off the ground. So it's going to look like that, just a little slant, okay? You see over here? Just a little slant, about like that. Barely lifted off the ground, okay? And you're going to stick the person who has the stopwatch, the timer, that'll be another job. Someone will be the timer. They'll say 1, 2, 3, go. And then this person, whoever has the materials, will drop the marble. They'll start the timer. And then whoever has the timer will watch carefully when it's going to land in the container. As soon as the marble lands in the container, if you have the stopwatch, press stop. Okay? That's going to be your total time. So we know that average speed, the formula for average speed is total distance in meters divided by total time. In seconds. Okay? So let's say your group goes, you got position 1. This is position 1, barely lifted off the ground. Julius is my timer guy. He's got the stopwatch. Tell me when.
Ready, set, go.
Alright, and he's going to stop it as soon as it hits. That's going to be your total time. So you're going to put whatever that is, let's say it's 0.88 seconds. Every time it's going to be 1 meter, okay? This is a little bit longer than a meter. It's about this much longer than 1 meter. But if we're estimating, this is closer to 1 meter than 2. And we're measuring in meters per second. So this is just a little over 1 meter. So we're going to estimate this is 1 meter. Every time your total distance is 1 meter. Your total time is going to be different every time. That's position 1. Alright, then you're going to type in your calculator 1 divided by 0.88. Whatever you get, that's your average speed. 0.88 is not going to be it. That's just an example. You're going to have to time it. So you're going to find the average speed for position 1. Then, position 2. You're going to lift it up a little more. Just slant it up a little more. Then you're going to do the same exact thing. The timer person is going to say 3, 2, 1, go. You're going to drop it. Your marble might come out sometime. Whoever, that's fine. Assign somebody to get the marble. Alright? You're going to time that one. Then you're going to come over here and say position 2. Total distance is what?
1 meter.
Every time. Over blank seconds. How many ever seconds you get for position 2? You put there. Position 2 is a little more slanted than position 1, okay? Then you're going to have position 3, which is more like this. Just to lift it up a little more. You're going to do the same thing, and you're going to find an average speed for position 3. So, you are going to have 3 different average speeds. Average speed for position 1, average speed for position 2, and average speed for position 3. So, you're going to, on your paper, you're going to have position 1. Each group needs to be a rider. There needs to be 1 rider in each group. So in this group, I want Allie, you be the rider. In this group, Ansley be the rider, or Cam, whoever. In this group, Kaylee Joslin. In this group, Alexis Jolly. In this group, Alexis Dooley. In this group, Gracie can be the rider. All right? So if you're the rider, go ahead and write this on your paper. Position 1. Total distance. Total time. This is going to be in seconds. This is going to be in meters. And then average speed. How do we get the average speed, Julius? Perfect. Total distance divided by the total time. You're going to get an average speed, so it's going to be blank meters per second. That's your average speed. Position 1. For position 2 and position 3, you do the exact same thing. Okay? So you should have this 3 times. Position 1, position 2, position 3. Alright? Any questions on what you're going to do? I'm about to assign a role for each group. But that just explains to you what you're going to do in your group. Okay? Alright. So, in this group, you're going to be the rider, Allie. Alright, Whitney's going to put the marble in she's going to hold the noodle and put the marble in. You're going to time it, okay? Alright? So, Whitney's the material. Girl, you're the timer and you're the rider. Okay, let me bring you a timer. We're going to practice with our timers to make sure that you got it. We're also going to need someone to present. And it's time to do that. Alright? In this group, I need Brady to be my timer. In this group, I need Trent to be my timer. In this group, I need Kylie to be my timer. Quietly. Okay. Alright, shh. When I call your name, you are the material person. You are going to be the one to hold the noodle, put the marble in. When your timer person says go, you put the marble in. Okay? In this group, I want Ainsley, you're going to be the material person. You can go get a noodle and a container. Your marble's in your container. Alright, this group, my material person, Erica. This group, Piper. This group, Hayden, you don't want to do this, you don't want to do time. You do material. And in this group, you do the material, Madison. Alright? So if you're not writing, if you're not timing, and if you're not doing materials, you're going to help plug this in the calculator. You're going to plug the formula in and help find the average speed, okay? Alright. So now everyone should have their materials. Erica, okay. Now if you are the timer, hold your timer up. We're going to practice for a minute. When I say go, I want you to press start. And when I say stop, I want you to press stop. And then tell me your time. And then we're going to reset it and do it again. This is just getting you familiar with your timers. Are we ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. You've got to press it will. You gotta press hard. They work. You gotta press it hard. Alright, ready? Reset. This should be no talking. Alright, are we at 0, everybody?
Yep.
So Kyler, are you at 0? You at 0, Hunter? Are you at 0? Maya, Trent, you at 0? Alright. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. You gotta press it hard. If you don't get it right at the exact second, that's okay. Because, I mean, you know, one little tiny millisecond's not gonna hurt. But, you know, just as soon as you guys sounds, when I hear the beeping, it sounds about right. We'll practice one more time. Reset. There should be no talking. They've got to hear me. 1, 2, 3, go. Stop. Perfect. That sounded perfect. That's fine. That was like literally half a millisecond. That's fine. Alright. That sounded good. Alright, so my riders. You good? We got this down. Position 1, position 2, position 3. You're gonna find 3 average speeds. An average speed for position 1. Everybody hold your noodle up and show me position 1. Show me position 1. You can do it in the air. Perfect, Piper. Julius, a little bit lower. Perfect. Great. Alright, position 2. Just a little bit higher. Perfect. Alright, but don't ever just go straight up. I mean, it's gonna go like, it's gonna be like, you're not even able to time that. Alright, position 3. Perfect. Alright. So, yes, Ella? Any? That's fine, yeah. Alright. Are we ready? And if you want to, the other class stood up beside their table to do it, that's fine. Or you can do it on the table like this, Gail and Whitney. Alright, quietly. If you get too loud, we'll take it up. I guess it was Coach said. Alright, let's go. Stop. I'm gonna have to practice it. Marbles.
Kind of slippery.
What is it?
Alright, they're right now. 94. Remember, the distance is always 1 meter. One divided by
1 second. 1.3 seconds. This is like every time I try to hold it with my finger, it falls. I have to hold it like very hard.
And I get to hold it.
Alright,
You got it. I don't know.
yeah. Alright, so 0.97. So you can round alright, you can round.
Position 2.
Ready?
A little bit higher.
Go. Big around. Ready? Like that.
Oh.
This one.
Okay, well, let's try this again.
The mark put it out.
Ready? One, two, three, go.
Okay, Thomas, maybe you need to hold that a little bit farther away.
Okay, what was it? 0.97? That was everything.
Hey, Julie, just hold it straight up. Don't fall faster. That's what I'm thinking. Position one.
Hurry up,
Julia, position one, position two.
Alright, one more. Position 3.
Ready? I'll present. Ready? Yep. Right there.
1, 2, 3, go. You messed it up, didn't you?
No, she didn't come out this time.
Thomas, stop kicking right now. Stop. Thomas, do you know what you're saying?
No, I did not. Ready? Go.
130.
It's not 130.
130.
130.
Reset it, come on, baby.
Yeah, sure.
And there we go.
Jesus.
When you're finished, sit down and discuss with your group how you're going to present.
So, how you guys want to do it?
I really don't know how to.
We need to do it one more time.
Tom said do it one more time.
I'll make sure. Alright.
I guess I'll present.
Alright, you finished? Stop. Alright, if you are finished, sit down and discuss with your group how you're going to present.
I think we should just rebrand it. Start. Stop. The leper has a loud voice and no mouth. I am not one of those people. I have never been
I do know that. She has both now.
I have a bad taste of shine. I have a very bad taste of shine.
I'm excited.
Really, when you're presenting, all I'm going to do is ask you your average speed.
I'm so shy.
It's kind of
If I stand up and try to pretend from the whole class,
I'm going so deep into my
I'm gonna decide if you did something. I did something.
Alright, quiet. We got 2 groups working.
That's right. That's exactly right. Get the book.
Stop. Yeah.
We got a runaway marble.
Huh?
We got a runaway marble. I don't know where it is.
I knew it did that. Alright, sit. Let's go ahead and sit down really quick. If you're not finished, that's fine. Just go ahead and sit. It's fine. I'll find your marble. Okay, good. Good. You can put it right there. Alright, group 1. Tell me your average speed. Group 1 right here. Tell me your average speed for position 1. 0.68. Okay, tell me your average speed for position 2. 1. Tell me your average speed for position 3. 0.78. Alright, so here's the deal. Position 1, which one should have went the fastest? Out of our 3 positions, which one should have went the fastest? Position 3. So position 1 should have been the slowest, right? The marble's barely slanted, so the marble's barely gonna roll. So this one should have been the slowest. This one should have sped up a little, and this one should be the fastest. Alright, group 2, Maya and Allie, what'd you get for your average speed position 1? Okay, position 2 average speed. Position 3 average speed. Awesome. So you see there, 56, position 1 was the slowest. It speeds up for position 2, and position 3 was the fastest. Alright, group 3, average speed, position 1.
0.64.
0.64.
0.78.
0.78.
And 1.15.
Awesome, 1.15. See there? Gets slower, gets a little faster when we slanted it more, and then it gets the fastest when it's position 3, the most slanted. Alright, group 4, position 1 average speed.
1.3.
What?
Oh, 0.83.
0.83. 0.83. Position 2 average speed.
1.53.
Position 3.
0.91.
0.9 what?
1.
Alright, so yours almost done. Position 2 and position 3 should be swapped. Position 3 should have been the fastest. If you slanted it the most, you should have got the fastest time for that one. Alright, group 5, position 1 average speed.
0.9.
Okay, position 2 average speed.
1.28.
Position 3 average speed.
1.45.
Oh, there's did it. 1.45. Good deal. Slowest is position 1. It gradually gets faster to position 3. Alright, group 6. Position 1 average speed.
0.97.
Okay.
0.01.
Okay.
0.78.
Okay. So I'm not sure what happened there because position 1 is your fastest time, which should have been the slowest because it should have been slanted the least. So I really don't know what happened. But you can see in group 2, group 3, and group 5.
Good afternoon, boys and girls. Carolina is now dismissed.
Alright.